Okay, this is the MTM foam cannon from Costco, and it's actually designed for low pressure. This is the 1 liter bottle. This is the actual equipment, and I'm gonna use it with the Greenworks 1500 psi pressure washer. The foam cannon is designed to use with the 1.8 gallon per minute pressure washers. Mine is a little bit less, it's only 1.3 gallon per minute. So we'll see how it's gonna work. This is gonna be the first try, and we'll show you how it's gonna be. Okay, I'm gonna use this Maguire Ultimate Wash and Wax. I know it's not the best thing for the foam cannon, but this is what I have. So, like per instruction, warm water, couple ounces of soap, and almost. After you pre-rinse your car, just remove dust and big particles. You connect this thing. Make sure when you're connecting it's all the way in and it's locked, so when you shoot the gun it's not gonna drop on your car and make scratches. So we're ready. Let's see. Okay guys, all in all, it's not a bad investment. It's actually, I like it. This soap is not made for the Canon, so, but it worked, not too bad. Okay, the whole process is just, if your car is not excessively dirty, just dust, you can use the foam cannon. You can rinse it and wipe it. Very simple, very quick, really nice result. So I really like this thing. It's made quick and easy application and removal. Thank you guys. Foam cannon from Costco, $50.